how to delete apps from another phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can delete apps from another phone. So in order to delete apps from another phone, it's quite complicated process. So first thing, you have to make sure that your Google account is linked. That means you have to make sure that you have already connected the Google account of this device from where you actually want to delete the apps. So after you've linked your Google account, then make sure that you're linked with the same Google account on the Play Store as well. So go to the Play Store and right on this page, this is how it's gonna look like. So after that, you have to go ahead and tap on the profile icon, make sure that it's the correct Google account, and then go to manage apps and devices. Then you have to go to option that says that indicates the devices storage. Just go ahead and tap on it, and accordingly from here you can just go ahead and select the application that you wish to delete and just click on the bin icon located in the top right hand side, and that's how you can delete the apps from another phone. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.